going on today, boys? So, got the stuff for the plasma cutter, gonna start on that. What I want to do today, I want to get the passenger side leaf spring off. So I want to get that off. I want to get these mounts off. And I want to get these pockets welded up. I feel like I'm being pretty ambitious, so wish me luck. I'm going to start on cutting off the leaf spring. Actually, I'm going to start on cutting that. So once that's done, I'll be back. I'll tell you where we're at. I got a little carried away. Let me just say that. I told you guys I was going to do something. I didn't even do what I said I was going to do. But there's an arm on. So I took this plate right here, and that's kind of a janky weld. I have to have Paul fix that when he comes. And then I welded it in here and down here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's welded in the whole way. And this will get welded on. This piece will get welded onto the frame. Then up here it'll get welded on the frame, whether we plate it or whatever, I don't know. That'll be up to Paul. And then I got my back brackets tacked in. That was hard. This is pretty thick. This welder's definitely not enough for that. So, but that's where that bar's gonna be. So it's upside down because I want the grease fitting to go down. So that'll get flipped over. But I gotta take this out anyways. I gotta take this out to make sure that we make the other one the same length. I have to find a point to measure. We'll probably go from here that way, but really, as long as this distance is right, like this from something, maybe from that, those are probably at the same spot since they're bed mounts. Measure from there to there, and then do that on that side, and it should be pretty much perfect. I don't know if I really needed to plate that piece in, but we did. We'll do the same thing here. But let's get cutting that piece off and see if we can't get a bottom bar on today too, because that would be awesome to have one side done. I'd be really happy with that, and then I could talk to you guys about the other side where it's a bit more complicated. So I'm going to work on getting this bracket off, and then I'll talk to you guys when I get that done. Look at that, boys. That's what I'm talking about. So I guess technically we have a triangulated 2-link. 1, 2. Yeah, that's cool. I'm so excited. I've been feeling like this project's been dragging on, and it really has, and you know, I still have to build a motor and put in a standalone and get front coilovers. The list goes on and on. But having the front kit on and almost having the rear kit on is just a huge relief. This is amazing. So I don't know. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. I gotta figure out the coilover bar, the crossbar that goes across. I gotta figure that thing out. The crossbar that goes across, that makes a lot of sense. Anyways, I gotta figure that out, see what's going on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this passenger side off. Maybe make the plate that goes there. I don't know. I'm feeling really accomplished. Like, I feel like I did a lot. I haven't been out here very long. I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, an hour. I don't have my phone, so I have no idea. But man, this is awesome. This is so awesome. I just can't stop looking at it. Like, there's a half of a 4-link on my truck. It's great. So exciting. I gotta get this bracket off, so I'm gonna cut that off right now. Cut that off. And then that'll allow me to start positioning my crossbar and seeing where exactly it's gonna go. So I think I'm gonna work on that. I'm not gonna take the spring off. I'm so all over the place. I'm too excited. Anyways, I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna start putting that somewhat into place and see if we can't at least mock up a coilover on this one side and see what it looks like. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Hopefully I'll have a coilover on. So I'm literally sitting here in disbelief. This was so much easier than the front. Look at that. Look at that. So this is in. I don't know if it's necessarily square. We'll have the whole bottom to weld down here, all of this here, and here. I think that's enough. I don't think we need to worry about the rest. Same thing with over here. All the bottom, all here, all there. So this side can go forward some, but this is in the way. So we are gonna have to cut this out. No big deal. Get that out of there. We'll have this crossbar, the new crossbar, which will hold the truck nice and square, straight, whatever. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. I'm super stoked what I was able to get done by myself. I guess I'll cut out that bar. I'll cut out that bar. I'm gonna have to delete this load sensing brake crap because I just got to get rid of all that stuff. I can't. I don't have a place to put my arm because my arm's gonna go here and all this is in the way. So I gotta look up how to do that. Probably get a flare tool and some brake line parts and we'll get that done. And once that's done, we'll move on to this side and we'll break down the how-to. That side's pretty easy because I just guessed. Nothing's measured out. I got to drop both bars, make sure the other two bars are the same length, and then come over here and basically, as long as it's the same length, I'll be able to measure from some point. It looks like there's a hole here on both of them, but they covered it up with that thing. I can measure from these. Measure from here up to the tip of that thing. So measure from this hole to this hole and then weld that one, the other one on this side the same way. So that shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Like, it's half done. It's half done. This side will be a cakewalk. I just got to get all this junk out of the way. That's the current step. Get all that out of the way. Once that's out of the way, get that side mocked up, give Paul a call, have him come over here and weld it up for us. We'll get a tank in, and then hopefully we'll start working on that soon. As soon as Bo gets back, we'll start working on that. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. We got a lot done today. Makes me super happy. Gosh, the sun's so bright. I'm dying. There's a coilover on my truck. That's what's up. Anyways, I'll see you guys.